Hey everybody, Justin Seener here. How you doing? Got a great video for you today, and I'm going to be talking about how to increase your average value with customized product bundles on Shopify. And I'm going to go over the pros and cons of bundling, what you need to look out for. I'll even go over some example bundle combinations that can work for really any store. So let's jump right into it right now. And bundling is a different form of upselling, and there's a couple different ways that you could upsell in e-commerce. And first of all, upselling 101, what exactly is upselling? Well, it's a sales technique used to get a customer to spend more by buying more products at once, right? Maybe they were coming to your shop to buy a t-shirt. We want them to leave with a t-shirt and a hat and a hoodie. Right? We're trying to get them to buy more products per transaction. We're trying to get that average order value as high as we can. And what is average order value? It's basically just the average amount that a customer will spend when they buy something from your store. So there are a bunch of different upselling techniques, and bundling products together, that's my number one. It's, I think, the best strategy here. And then also showing an upsell. Showing an upsell, you could either do that before checkout, or now you could even show an upsell after the checkout. And upselling is nice. It can work in conjunction with bundling, but every single store should be bundling products together. When you have products that are complementary, or when you have a niche store, which is, of course, what I always teach, you'll have a store only about cats or only about dogs, right? Upselling with bundles makes the most sense because literally every single product could be bundled together. Every single product could be desired by those customers. So if you have a niche store, or if you have complementary products that really work well with each other, then you're going to make a lot of money as long as you can create customized product bundles. So let me give you some popular bundle ideas. And again, customizing your product bundles, not just having a one-size-fits-all, but having multiple different bundles, having specific bundles per product, it's going to drastically increase your conversion rate. It's basically like completely expanding your product catalog just by offering different combinations. So here are some very common bundle ideas. These are definitely ones that I've used myself. Print on demand, the same design bundle. Okay, it's just no official name for it. That's just what I'm calling it. And just like the name describes, you're going to bundle a popular design in multiple print-on-demand products. So you might have a cool print-on-demand design offered as a shirt, a hat, a hoodie, and a cell phone case. They're all going to have the same design, just different print-on-demand products in one bundle. Okay, and I'll show you. I'm going to show you a strategy at the end of this video to make sure that all the automation still hooks in, right? And sometimes some bundle apps don't play nicely with print-on-demand. So I'll show you how to get around that. Another idea: your most popular product bundle. This is kind of like a best of our store bundle. You bundle your 3 or 4 most popular products, and you call it, our most popular bundle, or a VIP bundle, or whatever you want to call it. It's basically the most popular products in your store. Continuing on, another bundle, husband and wife bundle. You've probably often seen funny shirts about pregnancy or holidays or whatever. It's basically a matching set of shirts. It doesn't have to be shirts. It could be any matching set of products for husband and wife. And it could also be for mom and dad, or brother and sister. Basically, it's when there's some type of pair, or it could even be a family, right? I've seen a lot of these where there'll be an entire family shirt. It'll be 2 youth shirts and 2 unisex shirts for the parents and for the kids. So bundling, again, when you make customized bundle ideas, it makes a lot of sense. And this is another great example of doing exactly that. So how about some of the pros and cons of bundling? On the pro side, very effective upselling strategy. In my opinion, it's the most effective upselling strategy, especially when you have a niche store. And it really gives that extra feeling of personalization on your store, because you're creating bundles that are really, they're presented to be perfect for that specific customer. And of course, it's not personalized per customer, but it is personalized per product. There's different personalization, there's different bundles that can be created for all these different product combinations, and it really creates that feeling of, a very vibrant, personalized catalog. You're also going to be able to increase your average order value. Obviously, that's the biggest reason why we want to do this. We just want to make more money. We want people to buy multiple products at once instead of just one at a time. And like I said before, it's going to kind of give your entire product catalog an update because you're creating all these new variations. So just a couple cons, just to show the flip side as well. It's not built into Shopify, so you need to use an app. And some bundling apps will not work with print-on-demand or drop-shipping apps. So like any of your print-on-demand products or your drop-ship products, they're going to lose that integration and that fulfillment by using these bundles. So there are some apps that work with it. I'm going to make sure I show you exactly how to ensure that you're using one that works with print on demand. But if you see a bundle app that is creating clones of products or duplications of products, it's not going to work with your print on demand or drop shipping. So you want to make sure that you don't run into any apps that are like that. So how do you create the perfect bundle in Shopify? I'm going to show you an app called Grouped Products, and you see the link directly below this video. It's my favorite bundle app by far, and it totally integrates with print on demand and drop shipping apps. So it's not going to kill any of the fulfillment. It's not going to kill the automation. It works perfectly. It just uses your Shopify products. It doesn't create any duplications or clones, and this is by far the best bundling option that I've found. So let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you just how powerful Grouped Products really is. So this is Advanced Bundle Products, and you see it's got a 4.4 out of 5-star review. It obviously does a great job at what I've been describing, and that's being able to create super customized product bundles, and really importantly for print on demand and drop shipping stores, keeping them as the original products to make sure that they're still going to work with all the automation and the fulfillment that goes along with print on demand and dropship apps. So you don't lose any of that when you use Advanced Bundle Products. And that's a really big thing that turned me onto it and got me using this app specifically for bundles, because I do so much print on demand bundling. And I went over a couple of different really unique examples of how you could bundle really any store, but print on demand especially really allows you to create really customized bundles that can really increase that average order value and increase conversion rate, because they're bundles that just naturally people haven't seen before. So of course with this app, you're going to be able to create those custom bundle products. Even if it is print on demand or drop shipping, you're going to have full control over how you present and create these bundles. And the goal here, and what this app does so well, is it increases your average order value. You're going to basically encourage people to spend more because they're going to get hooked into these really unique customized bundles, and that's going to really increase the average order value because they're going to be buying multiple products at once. It's very, very powerful. And really, the big thing, again, it works with the original products, all your fulfillment, all your analytics, all your inventory, all your shipping settings. They all work flawlessly with this app. Definitely take a look. You see the link directly below this video. Take a look at all the features that Advanced Bundle Products has. But I want to go over the shoulder and show you just how easy it is to set up a really powerful customized bundle. Now I'm over here in a demo Shopify store. I want to show you exactly how powerful this is. And we're going to go from a look that is typical to a normal product page, right, just something like this, to a bundled look over here by using Advanced Bundle Products. And it's really simple. We're going to go back over the shoulder over here, and what we first want to do are add products that we're going to consider bundling. And this isn't the actual bundle, but this is just going to be basically products that will be enabled to have this little bundle option in it. We'll have to set it up afterwards, but we can just come up here and add a bundle product. It's going to show us all our different products, and we could literally add any product, and we'll go ahead and add it to the list over here of bundle products. But what we need to do are set up the specific bundle items that go with these products. And you see I have this camping without beer example over here. This one is pre-set up, and I have some products that I've added to show as a bundle. I've also set up a 10% discount, and you have different offer types in terms of the display. You could have a pop-up, or you could have a static block, and what I've gone with over here is the static block. So on the camping without beer shirt, right here's camping without beer, I've created a bundle of these two associated items, and we see those right over here. You see all the different variants. We've got the inventory selector if they wanted to add more, and we have a built-in discount that they'll see. We have different options for block text and another one for pop-up. I really prefer the block text, and you could also add in your text here. And it's really easy. So let's come back over here to Advanced Bundle Products, and we'll come over here to the Pretty Kitty Wall Canvas, and we'll click into that. And now all we need to do are literally just select the products that should be included in this bundle. Okay, and we would obviously want something closely relevant. I'm just going to come over here and put a dog shirt on here and another animal shirt. So we're bundling two popular print-on-demand designs here. And we're going to have other options in terms of the price here, and we could rearrange these in terms of reordering them, in terms of which one you want to be showcased first. You could add a discount if you want. You could also show the bundle offer on other associated product pages as well. This is a nice little shortcut, so you don't have to recreate the bundle. This will basically just show it on all these different product pages. We'll go with a 15% discount. All right, we could have that. And actually we'll change this over here to a static block. And we'll save this. Very simple to set this up. We come back over here to our Pretty Kitty wall canvas, and as you see, we have our bundle over here, and we could select some of those. See that our discount is applied automatically. We can bundle this, see our discount is increasing, and of course we could just add it to cart just like any other product. It's going to keep them all separate in terms of your print-on-demand fulfillment, so all this would go in automatically into your print-on-demand app. It just uses the exact product, which is so very important. So as you can see, incredibly easy. You can set up unlimited amount of bundles. You have full control over pricing and discounts and display. And you can come over here back into the app. You can go into the settings and start configuring everything from different text and different colors. And you can translate the app to really use any language or use any terminology that you want for the main template. So very powerful, very easy to use. And I use it myself, so I highly recommend you check it out. You see the link directly below this video. You got a 7-day free trial. Advanced bundle products, by far the best bundling app that's out there. I want you to check it out. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I'll do my best to try to answer as many as I can. Otherwise, I really hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.